So we will begin. So this is very interesting topic, which is amalgamation of pharmacology and what you call as forensic and toxicology. And this topic is more towards the pharmacological side. More towards the pharmacological side because it is dealing with the overdoses, adverse drug reactions, types of adverse drug reaction, and everything. So yes, um, this will require you to understand certain pharmaceutical products. This presentation will cover most of the theoretical aspects, signs and symptoms of drug toxicity of individual drugs or management of individual drug toxicity. It is not in this discussion. It is more towards the general principles of toxicology, what are types of drug reactions, how to manage them. That will be discussed here. Okay, so whenever we will be discussing adverse drug reactions or general toxicology or pharmaceutical toxicology, it is expected that after this session, yes, most of the time I say unit preparation, but in this topic I will say after this session you have to visit some toxicology museum and see how much of things you can understand. Okay, so let's go into the topic. We will take this topic very slowly because many of you have studied it but might have forgotten it, and many of you will try to relate it with the clinical scenarios. So we will not have clinical scenarios, we will have theoretical discussion today. Okay, so let's go into the topic. Topic name is pharmaceutical and drug toxicology.
Pharmaceutical and drug toxicology explores how medicines interact with the body, focusing on harmful effects, safe dosages, and preventing drug-induced damage.
We will try to understand the principles of pharmaceutical and drug toxicology as much as possible. We will try to identify and manage ADR, that is adverse drug reaction, and drug toxicity. We will try to apply therapeutic drug monitoring principles. We will manage overdose situation, especially for digoxin or paracetamol toxicity, more common. And we will try to see the drug interactions, polypharmacy, and we will try to see the importance of clinical trials and drug safety regulation. 6 objectives. That means by end of session, you should have understanding or knowledge. Everything is about the understanding and knowledge, and as you will expand in your fellowship course, you will try to apply this into the clinical practice. So keep these objectives simple. More first build your foundation with the theory and then go into the clinics. Okay, this should be the approach for the pharmaceutical and drug reactions or drug toxicology. What is expected from you? At least read a book of pharmacology which is called as K.D. Tripathi, Essentials of Modern Pharmacology, Essential of Clinical Pharmacology, K.D. Tripathi, which is utilized by MBBS graduate also, or you can read a book from Sharma and Sharma Clinical Pharmacology. That is also a wonderful book where you can read about the ADR. You can read NABH modules, National Accredited Board of Hospital modules on the management of adverse drug reactions and drug toxicity, or you can read you can visit the website Pharmacovigilance Program of India, and where you can get good idea or individual drug reaction, individual management of drug toxicity, that you can get from there. Okay.
Adverse drug reactions, ADR, and drug toxicity study how medications can cause unwanted or harmful effects, emphasizing prevention, early detection, and safer drug use.